Hello our Desi and Pardesi friends, I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today I'm going to show you how to make a special kind of rasam. This rasam is made with spinach and is a great immunity booster. It is a recipe that I've learned from a friend and loved it so much that I thought why not share it with you. So let's quickly take a look at the ingredients we need to make this delicious rasam. To make this rasam, we need one lime-sized piece of tamarind. You can also replace this with the juice of one lime. Try making this rasam once with tamarind and once with lime juice. See which flavor you prefer. Personally, we prefer adding tamarind juice. So today I'm going to show you this recipe using tamarind juice. We need one bunch of spinach, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. Do check out our rasam powder recipe video to see how rasam powder is made. Desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon. And now for the tempering, we need 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 garlic pods crushed, 2 dry red chilies, 8 to 10 curry leaves and 2 pinches of hing. And lastly, for the garnish, a handful of chopped coriander. Let's start by soaking a lime-sized piece of tamarind in warm water. Wash and dry a bunch of spinach leaves. Roughly chop the spinach leaves. Blanch in boiling water until the stems are no longer rigid. Once blanched, blend to a smooth paste. Add 1 liter of water to a pot and to that, add the spinach paste. Allow this to come to a boil and add in the required salt. Give it a quick stir. Now add in the squeezed tamarind pulp and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of dry desiccated coconut powder. Now add in 2 heaped teaspoons of rasam powder. This is a rasam powder that I make at home. You'll find the link attached at the top of the screen. Do check out that video. When you watch the video on how to make rasam powder, you'll notice that I have not added hing to the spices as I like to add it to the tempering. This retains the fresh aroma of the hing and gives the rasam that extra flavor. Leave the rasam to boil for about 5 to 8 minutes on high heat. In the meantime, let's get the tempering ready. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 4 to 5 crushed garlic cloves and 2 dry red chilies. Then add in 8 to 10 curry leaves. Saute for a bit till all the flavors are infused with the oil. And just before switching off the flame, add in the hing. Pour this tempering over the boiling rasam. Allow the rasam to boil for a couple of minutes. And lastly, add in a handful of chopped coriander and mix well. There we have our delicious rasam, quick and easy to make and sure to awaken your taste buds while keeping things light on your stomach. Do try it out, enjoy it with family and friends and let us know how much you loved it. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. See you soon in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, stay safe and blessed.